This noon, we're hearing from seismologists after a swarm of earthquakes overnight near Mount St. Helens. The first quake happened around 12:30 this morning near Morton, and at least 19 others followed. KIRO 7's Rob Munoz is live at the University of Washington this afternoon. And Rob, seismologists say they woke up to alerts about this.
Well, they have staff on standby here 24/7, Michelle, and as soon as that happened, they started crunching all of the data, and what they're telling us is that while it's an unusual location on the side of the volcano to have earthquakes, they say is not related to magma within itself, leading to an eruption. Starting at 12:30 this morning with a 3.9 quake, seismologists at UW's Pacific Northwest Seismic Network got alerts and began following a trend of quakes near Mount St. Helens that included as many as 19 aftershocks, one of the biggest measuring a 2.7.
And here you see the same thing. Here are the main shock, one of the aftershocks, and then you can see a little more clearly these little pops which are aftershocks.
Viewers told us they felt decent shaking in the area near Morton and Randall in Lewis County. This image is from data collected by seismologists over the past month. While there have been as many as 80 quakes near the volcano, seismologists say this was a slip in the tectonic plates, not related to magma activity that would have caused something like the 1980 eruption. The tectonic activity did come in an unexpected spot.
This is a little to the north and east, so in that sense it's a little unusual. But we have had a lot of small, tiny earthquakes in this zone. What we haven't had is an earthquake this size, a 3.9, is unusual for that area.
Scientists tell us they're still keeping a close eye on the most active volcano in the Cascades, expecting a small eruption-type event to happen in the next decade.
It moves, and sure, where the fault slipped, it has less strain on it, but it moves that strain to the surrounding rock. And so there are little patches then that snap, crackle, and pop.
Now, the seismologists here will be tracking the aftershocks for the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, if a stronger quake than that 3.9 does happen, then those aftershocks, they say, simply become a foreshock. We're live here at the University of Washington. I'm Rob Munoz, KIRO 7 News.
The flu is now widespread here in the state of Washington.